Well, we're almost at the end of our village thing, but they gave us these leis, and of course I have the stuff on the side of me, just like the other warriors had, and I had it down here. So I was all dressed up to do my part, and I danced with them, I sang with them, I played the flutes, and I don't know what else I did. I did something else too. Danced, whatever, and danced with the warriors, danced with the ladies, sang with the choir, and did the best that I could, and I'm sure everybody enjoyed it. So, all right, we're coming down to the end of our visit here shortly to this island. All right. Hey, thank you. We're moving the boat back because as we sit in it, the weight's going to push it down. We won't be able to float. So everybody's giving us a hand there. All right.
All right.
Okay, now I can move back a little bit.
Yeah, let's move back. Let's move all the way back.
On that.
Thank you.
You're sitting on the...
I see that. I don't want to go.
Hey, Dad, see what's steaming out there?
Yes, plume.
Oh, yeah. Way off in the distance is the volcano out there. I don't know if you can see it on here. I'm almost out of battery power here, but it's there.